Use EFT to reduce worrying about what others think of you. EFT, or Emotional Freedom Technique, sometimes referred to as, quote, tapping, is one of the most effective self-help practices available according to scientific research. It utilizes acupressure and cognitive therapy to release hidden blocks that lead to emotional, mental, and physical illness and unease. The method is simple and can be done by anyone. The basic practice is done by lightly tapping with your fingertips on 12 acupuncture or meridian points. This may sound too easy to make a difference, but rest assured, it works. The proof is in the research. Medical and psychology journals have published over 100 papers on the benefits of EFT, including clinical trial results. EFT has been found effective for clearing PTSD, chronic pain, phobias, depression, anxiety disorders, and physical diseases, among others. EFT is so effective because it goes to the root of your worry and anxiety. It provides you with a way to release blocks in your subconscious that are holding you back in ways you don't even realize. Memories and beliefs we've experienced from childhood are stored in our bodies and subconscious. Simple things like, ladies are always polite and hospitable, can be distorted by our child's mind, and we can internalize that we always have to be nice so people will think we are a lady. This simple statement, made by a loving parent, for example, can become one of the sources of our deep-seated need to please other people. By using an EFT, we can release those old beliefs and memories that are keeping us from living our lives to the fullest. It is a simple, free technique you can use daily to release fears and worries without the need for long-term talk therapy. As you tap the various points along your head and shoulders, you repeat a phrase that informs your subconscious what it is that you want to release, while affirming your love and acceptance of yourself. Of course, there are many different scripts you can use, and you should always listen to your intuition as to what script you should use each time. However, this is an example of a basic yet extremely effective script you could use today to start letting go of your need to worry about what others think of you. Even though I feel blank about blank, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. For example, you might say, even though I feel worried about what other people think of me, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. You would use this script multiple times, usually around 10 to 30 minutes, as you tap the acupressure points. It's that simple. To learn the details of how to use EFT, search online for it. There are a lot of videos online that will show you exactly how to use this technique.